in your mother Ghana independence in this year, we ye two men do Independence Square. But in Kayenyo Pan, Koyden Kayaja Bossia fee, or ye Richard Niamakwe when ye did the system match. And the Abakwe defied or ye how to spend money. Nah, or the Shana dream it up, I don't make a statement to catch a Ghana for there. It's the 40 years or your luxury or nothing.
Yes.
Or yeah, premium or nothing. Into birthday, chen. Birthday kukrudu. Birthday eyezu, eyeza. And I was a brain or yeah, Independence Square. And no one some more pay. Things will happen for the birthday and then actually. I mean a PKB yards and I had a bobo. Sabi a too far where your corporate far will pay him. It be baho.
Yes.
Where we see the senior levels and then when I a masters or and when she.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
Ebusiafu esikafa mbantam esikafa ye late in man yebodu Parko Rich myself ina Richani Amakwe in a PKB. Man, I hear so yaba arrive again and I'm here sure that over the weekend you saw the definition of awodapa. Yeah, there is a difference between birthday and awoda. Pa count. So we saw the Gangantua celebration. And PKB I am pede I am the market chinas or kasa those that can be very annoying. And so in your mother Ghana independence in this year, we ye two men do Independence Square. But in Kayenyo Pan, Koyden Kayaja Bossia fee, or ye Richard Niamakwe when ye did the system match. Then what did I able to? Honestly, Richard Niamakwe defied or ye how to spend money. Nah, or the Shana dream it up, I don't make a statement to catch a Ghana for there. It's the 40 years or your luxury or nothing.
Yes.
Or yeah, premium or nothing. Into birthday, chen. Birthday kukrudu. Birthday eyezu, eyeza. And I was a brain or yeah, Independence Square. And no one some more pay. Things will happen for the birthday and then actually. I mean a PKB yards and I had a bobo. Sabi a too far where your corporate far will pay him. It be baho.
Yes.
Where we see the senior levels and then when I a masters or and when she will be so who or ye Benedict Tagafado or the Nasarafa.
Charlie
Richard Niamana Betsy.
Charlie.
Eda. Or ye blog yesterday. So once in a blog yesterday, I do so actually celebrate that. Got the musicians are one matters and we saw all of them there.
Yes.
Zawamba one so they you go to explain.
Principalities, darkness.
Pion Susube too for the Baba Kawodo. And so we are here to tell you more about the birthday. PKB over the weekend in our crowd. What video come across, but great you need to loop me and I now I'm fulfilling view in ecstasy of how the entire birthday occurred.
So Charlie, for a crowd the hashtag and trendy on all the socials hashtag RNAQ40 billboard baby town chese
baby
6 days to Saturday in the day was all about RNAQ at 40 na eseweni ehwe ense wo kachire ana sa ebe no mebunu
nana ko
itino Saturday forget it ho Independence Square ho no eye bojaye na ansa edi video no betum no emu nsam de edoso Shatawale to me anko but when then
what
yen to me kan ho asem
what
ana yenka yendo musu ko
why true
but artist be ba ho na be shaky ho no yen fan from Kidi Ai kidi bemu be say ho
Sugar daddy
and kasa we mind some sugar levels. Can promise so by Nungwa was in the building. Na en cry for.
Papa Sako.
Which Niama kwe can promise. Omu shubo mu pa omu feel vibe. Ena edem muso be fair mu any idea Sako de baby. Unia Davido free US. The private jet free US bar Ghana because your tunsa friend is on some so a man there ejuma for ka ho celebrities ka ho
well okeshegwa and I was binom so address na there was sister Fia so the anamuno no the call or your birthday na so na kupaye kuntum de me free in order to replay Jackie so was say the Jackie de bi side pocket the t-shirt akakaka the back was a pad into okeshe or your dinner when I care Cinderella twice the
my upper body vibes now wow sha boy easy
but BKB
yeah man
in Kwafubia raise concerns and the first one if the Ghana community the Musicians Union of Ghana community what feel there ni oskenyi ni kwe wanyone nzini ye because nka yanyiwo gamashi here Jamestown colleague no boy na say eridu birthday ya your musician be to the King Jerry sangofa enye boni sangofa you no invite King Jerry
Vex
wa wiser when you invite in grand musicians in the words was brother okay mini ke acho me
mini o fear
Osumon can invite here mimba bedi jollof here on your mama nkran and then one of the concerns mami be raising was social media yen do ya legit singing there
customers
Papa, yes customers are sabi she attia wo quick credits Fia what's a vita, wash your long sleeves white, it wasn't enough. Niyama. Quick credit customers, bra, who workers wasn't enough, let's say a party. And 2 months for customers, and yes, can interest.
Is it California shibum?
Yes, can interest, it's so yana, it's in your scadam, a party. I'm frying, and one to say from one when your appetite. Because we'll be to that despite. Oyi chips Korea nine wire full or sip champagne kakra nanka wo customers impo dey no won pa bibia jollof plain rice for you gudu in enya bigo I would drink in impo man pay expensive ones bigo na bi nanka famo wanama wo customers won't feel good but I brand say anyana I mean customers of or your quick credit our friend and bills and what's why you highly disappointed
we lie brutal
that when you want your business pa masabem for so about we married 40 years and can we a popular star in Power Stadium one first screen since one our customers one share Listen there, luxury or nothing,
premium or nothing.
Now, customers they say, when you be, but the wobble, but the other way to the best good customers are. It can obey you was king nama and more pega. But aside from that, and also, ever send me on a PKB out to our grounds.
Well, just near my dear.
But on one can answer more. One can answer more.
Of course, Nigerians, but MCs no. Yeah, Fabaku free Nigeria, and Fabaku free Ghana. Now, Nigeria for no, I'm friend Toke.
Yeah,
as some of the good or Nagaza.
I'm again into a man con. Oh, yeah, because of that girl. Where I no go the party because he went there. I mean. Emi mapa East Legon. East Legon dama club no. Yeah, cartel office ka from where different. So they invited me the member and I'm saying and when you invite us we need your script before we can come to your birthday party.
It's almost said those scripts.
So Richani Amakwe actually sent delegates to bring me my invitation with the script of the MCs because my pede my body MC biabenya my cassetia and so went through the script and I saw the Nigerian MC saying that if you don't clap your hands,
you don't go chop jollof if you don't.
The person who is going to feed you, you need to clap your hands for him. I heard the man, you know, go eat. And I'm so what? A rich man of my caliber, mama, someone who has say, ma boma bra. Ne Richani Amakwen or Badaben.
Ko.
Richani Amakwen, when did he make money?
Man, uncle.
When we were grooming Namwan and Coase to become rich man, he was still a young guy.
Ko.
He was selling apateshi.
Ko.
He was selling his family TV.
Ko.
To make money today.
Ko.
And so today, if I'm coming to his birthday, I should come and clap for him before they give me food.
Man, uncle.
Such a disrespect from this young girl.
And
so I said I wouldn't go. So I did a buy Richard Niamakwe yaw. And I dropped the video and people were feeling like, I'll show you screenshots.
Yeah.
And I Richard Niamakwe, but from our system missed calls.
Hey.
Because in my bread, I had to go check some of my businesses in South Pond Kuntu. Because your holiday destination being Kuntu.
Okay.
Coming Easter. So the projects and the contractors good at what Juma. So for that reason, na my bread my identity when they miss call. System miss calls. Rechaniama is upset. But as a friend, as a young guy, even them so I have to tell him that I'm sorry.
Yeah, sorry.
Nah, next time I'll make it up to him next year if he still has money to organize this birthday.
Yeah, something okay. Why he won't have money next year?
I'm asking because you know what time your friend they sika to that no ma. You understand? Because next year my wedding. Hey, my birthday.
Okay.
I'm actually planning to host it on the Pacific Ocean. No, Atlantic Ocean and Pacific.
Let me say Arctic.
Atlantic Ocean.
There be Arctic and
I will you shop on Pano or Atlantic Ocean. I mean,
and a greenish meridian.
Say small boy able to wear canopies to Independence Square. It will be disrespect for me to also host my birthday party at Independence Square. I have to take it to the next level.
Yeah.
Then we do it. And so there is a song by one American artist, I said the world should prepare for a new billionaire. I am the one.
You are the one.
I am the one.
Okay.
I am the Lion King. I'm coming. So PKB.
Yeah, man.
Let them know.
Yeah.
That's the rich Mond is here. That was a rich ad.
Yeah.
He was just added to the rich people.
Yeah.
I am the rich Mond. Mond no in hala. Pack out to the rich. He be some there. Who are you? Miss, I am rich. You understand?
Yeah, man.
You verse? Of course, you are poor. You can be verse. You can verse. Charlie, we out of here, PKB.
Please. But we don't play the video, or you will put for inside.
Oh, blah. Now, what does I'm kind of loopadi?
Loopam, eh?
Dabby. Yeah, I can loop it. I will introduce it. Okay, into guys, young question. What really went on at the birthday party? Let's watch this video.
Highlights.
Highlights.
On your soccer highlight, luxury highlight.
So you can see, this is the party, the birthday party. You can see the likes of Kobna, RMD, all the beautiful ladies. Plastic chair we didn't have any nyame plastic chairs. We have the ruler of God. Medicals was addressing the waiter. And because of your long sleeves now wash your vest.
Hey, how about tie?
In a man for fido on no over serve wine or so one shirt t-shirt or there was no t-shirts at the venue. Charlie, you do our screen. One shirt t-shirt were venue. It was suit affairs. Yeah. Sefa so obi tu na edru ho. Obi tu na edru ke sefa ka get horrible film. And so according on your screen, and you can see how the guy dressed like coming to America. Yes. Richard Diabakwe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how that it goes.
it cost, but I can buy it. Yeah, I can buy it for my chef. All right, guys. So it's a wrap.
Charlie.
I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie.